Hello everyone and welcome back to our English class. Are you ready to learn some more amazing things today? I know I am. This is level 3 and we are going to have so much fun together. First up, let's talk about time. Telling the time is super useful. When the sun comes up, we can say it's morning. Look, the clock says it's 7 o'clock. This is when many of us wake up and get ready for the day. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Good morning. After we have lunch, it's the afternoon. See, now the clock says it's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. This is a great time to play outside. And when the moon and stars are in the sky, it's night. The clock shows it's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock at night. Time for bed. So, let me ask you, what time do you usually wake up? Can you tell me? Awesome! Now, let's learn about some places we go. The first one is a place you know very well. School. What do we do at school? That's right, we study and learn new things. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Next, a fun place with swings and slides. The park. We go to the park to play. P-A-R-K. Park. It's so much fun. Where do we go when the day is over? We go home. We eat, relax, and sleep at home. H-O-M-E. Home. And what if we need to buy something? Like food or a new toy? We go to the store. We buy things at the store. S-T-O-R-E. Store. So, where do you like to play? At the park or at home? Great. Okay, let's move on to actions. What are we doing? Look, I have something crunchy and red. I eat an apple. Can you pretend to eat an apple? Delicious. Now, I have something with lots of pages and words. I read a book. Reading takes us on wonderful adventures. Can you pretend to read a book? What's your favorite story? Here's a glass of something white and healthy. I drink milk. It helps us grow strong. Gulp, gulp, gulp. And finally, something round you can throw and catch. I play with a ball. Bouncing and throwing is so much fun. Can you act out playing with a ball? Fantastic job, everyone. Next, let's practice asking and answering questions. This is a very important skill. If you see something and you don't know what it is, you can ask, "What is this?" Let's try. I'm pointing to something. What is this? You can answer, "It's a book." Perfect. Now, what if you can't find something? You can ask, "Where is it?" For example, "Where is the book?" And the answer could be, "It's on the table." See? Easy. Now it's your turn. Find a friend or a family member and ask them, "What is this?" while pointing to an object. You're doing so well. Last but not least, let's talk about our feelings. We already know happy and sad, but there are so many more. When something really fun is about to happen, you feel excited, like on your birthday. Can you show me your excited face? Wow, I feel the excitement. What about when you watch a scary movie or see a spider? You might feel scared. Let me see a scared face. Oh, that's very convincing. Sometimes, when there's nothing to do, you might feel bored. Let's see your bored face. Oh, let's find something fun to do. And when you do something really well, like finishing a puzzle, you feel proud. Stick your chest out and show me your proud face. Yes, you should be proud of all the English you're learning. Amazing work today, everyone. You have just finished part 1 of level 3, and you did an incredible job. I am so proud of you. Now it's time to take a short break, stretch your legs, and get ready, because part 2 is coming right up with even more fun things to learn. See you in a little bit.